Have you ever looked at a dog and wondered how much of its story is hidden beneath the surface? Today's transformation begins with a Doodle whose appearance tells a difficult story before a single grooming tool is picked up. Beneath the tangled coat, behind layers of severe matting, and underneath months of discomfort is a loyal companion who deserves a fresh start. The most challenging Doodle transformation of the year is not simply about changing how a dog looks. It is about revealing the healthy, happy animal that has been concealed by neglect, misunderstanding, and Kong grooming mistakes. Doodles are often admired for their adorable appearance, soft curls, and family-friendly personalities, but many owners underestimate the commitment required to maintain these unique coats. What begins as a few skipped brushing sessions can gradually become a serious problem. Small tangles tighten into knots, knots merge into dense mats, and eventually, the coat becomes a restrictive layer that pulls against the skin with every movement. As this Doodle arrives for professional grooming, the extent of the matting becomes clear. Thick sections of fur have formed an almost solid shell around parts of the body, making ordinary grooming impossible. Yet even in this condition, the dog's gentle eyes reveal trust, patience, and an incredible willingness to cooperate. That trust reminds us of an important lesson often emphasized by Dr. Karen Becker. Our dogs depend on us completely for their well-being, and every aspect of their health deserves thoughtful attention. Grooming is not merely a cosmetic task. It is a fundamental part of canine care that influences comfort, mobility, hygiene, and overall quality of life. Many Doodle owners genuinely love their dogs and provide excellent homes, but they may not fully understand how quickly these coats can become unmanageable. Unlike some breeds with simpler grooming needs, Doodles often require consistent brushing, regular maintenance, and professional care to prevent painful matting. As experts begin assessing this dog's condition, each section of the coat presents a new challenge. The process cannot be rushed because safety and comfort must remain the highest priorities. Every decision matters, from selecting the appropriate tools to determining how best to remove the mats without causing unnecessary stress. Watching this transformation unfold is a powerful reminder that responsible pet ownership extends beyond food, toys, and affection. True care means recognizing needs before they become problems and taking action to support a dog's physical and emotional health. The journey ahead will demand patience, skill, and compassion, but it also offers something remarkable: the chance to witness a dramatic change that goes far beyond appearance. Hidden beneath months of tangled fur is the dog everyone has been waiting to see. And as the grooming process begins, the first steps toward that reveal are finally underway, setting the stage for one of the most extraordinary Doodle transformations imaginable. As the grooming process moves forward, the true scale of the challenge begins to emerge. What initially appeared to be a heavily tangled coat reveals itself to be a complex network of dense mats, tightly woven together over large areas of the dog's body. Each section requires careful attention because rushing could cause discomfort or even injury. The groomers work methodically, understanding that every decision affects the dog's safety and well-being. At this stage, suspense fills the room. No one can yet predict exactly what the Doodle will look like when a transformation is complete. Beneath the matted fur may be irritated skin, hidden hot spots, or areas where the coat has become so compressed that normal air circulation has been restricted for months. This uncertainty is one of the reasons severe matting cases demand both professional skill and patience. While many people see a fluffy Doodle and imagine a low-maintenance companion, experienced groomers understand that these coats require consistent care. One of the most common mistakes Doodle owners make is relying on occasional surface brushing. The outer layer may appear smooth, while deeper layers closer to the skin continue forming knots and tangles. Over time, these hidden tangles merge into thick mats that become increasingly difficult to remove. Another common mistake involves extending grooming appointments too far apart, assuming that a Doodle's coat will remain manageable on its own. Unfortunately, the combination of curly and wavy hair textures often creates ideal conditions for matting, especially when brushing routines are inconsistent. As emphasized by Dr. Karen Becker, prevention is almost always kinder than correction when it comes to maintaining a dog's health and comfort. The same principle applies here. Minutes of proper grooming several times each week can prevent months of discomfort and the need for drastic corrective grooming later. As more of the coat is removed, subtle signs of the dog's relief begin to appear. Body language becomes more relaxed. Movements seem lighter. The burden of carrying a heavy layer of tightly compacted fur is slowly disappearing. Yet the most dramatic reveal is still ahead. With each pass of the grooming tools, the anticipation grows. The dog that has been hidden for so long is gradually coming into view, but the final result remains a mystery. Viewers watching this transformation may begin to recognize an important truth that extends beyond grooming itself. Dogs depend on human awareness in countless ways. They cannot explain discomfort, describe skin irritation, or tell us when their coat is becoming painful. They rely on observation, routine care, and responsible decision-making from the people who love them. That reality gives this transformation a deeper meaning. It is not simply about creating a cleaner appearance. It is about restoring comfort, dignity, and quality of life. As the final layers of matting are carefully removed, the moment everyone has been waiting for draws closer, and the remarkable dog, hidden beneath years of neglect, is finally preparing to step into the light. The final stage of this extraordinary transformation delivers a result that is both emotional and inspiring. As the last traces of severe matting disappear, the Doodle standing before us seems almost like a different dog, yet the truth is even more powerful. This is not a new dog at all. It is the same loyal companion who was hidden beneath months of neglected coat care, finally revealed in a way that allows natural health, comfort, and personality to shine through. The difference is immediately visible. The dog's posture appears more confident, movement becomes freer, and more energetic. Expressions that were once partially concealed by heavy mats are now easy to see. There is a brightness in the eyes and a sense of relief throughout the body that speaks louder than words ever could. This transformation serves as a reminder that grooming is about far more than appearance. It is an act of care, respect, and responsibility that directly affects a dog's daily quality of life. For Doodle owners, this story carries valuable lessons that can prevent similar situations in the future. Consistent brushing that reaches all the way to the skin is essential. Regular professional grooming appointments help identify problems before they become serious. And understanding the unique coat characteristics of Doodles is equally important because these popular dogs often inherit complex textures that require dedicated maintenance. Many owners are surprised to learn how quickly tangles can develop, especially after swimming, outdoor adventures, or periods of rapid coat growth. Education is one of the most powerful tools available to responsible pet owners. This is a message frequently supported by Dr. Becker, whose focus on proactive wellness encourages dog owners to address small concerns before they become larger challenges. The journey of this Doodle perfectly illustrates that philosophy. What began as an overwhelming grooming case became an opportunity to restore comfort and improve well-being through patience, knowledge, and compassionate care. Beyond the technical aspects of grooming, there is also a deeper lesson about the bond between humans and dogs. Every dog places enormous trust in the people responsible for their care. They depend on us to recognize their needs, protect their health, and make decisions that support a happy life. When that responsibility is embraced with commitment and understanding, remarkable transformations become possible. As this Doodle walks away looking healthier, lighter, and more comfortable, viewers are left with more than a dramatic before and after image. They are left with a reminder that true care is expressed through consistent actions, thoughtful attention, and a willingness to learn. The most challenging Doodle transformation of the year is ultimately not a story about grooming alone. It is a story about second chances, renewed comfort, and the incredible difference that informed, compassionate care can make in the life of a beloved dog. If you are benefiting from our topics, please subscribe, like, and turn on the bell notification so you can see our new videos early.